The research we did deals with a really important scientific question which is unsolved, which is the origin of life. And it's a very complex problem. We approached part of that by understanding or trying to understand how proteins might have emerged. There's a set of about 10 of the common 20 amino acids that can be produced by simple chemical means. And it's this alphabet of 20 amino acids that all your proteins are produced, and your proteins do essentially all of the critical biochemistry of living systems. The question we asked dealt with how you can go from simple chemicals to living systems. There are some known mechanisms by which some amino acids can be produced by non-living processes. And what we found was that that set of 10 appears fully capable of making folded proteins. And the implication of that is that proteins could have formed very early in the process of abiogenesis and not later. The other question we asked is if you do make proteins out of the 10 prebiotic amino acids, what general properties might it have? And what we found is that the protein is soluble and folded in high salt environments. In a normal ocean, water is very high concentration, and it's very difficult to drive a chemical reaction that requires the removal of water. But there's a very few natural sort of solutions where that can occur. One is high salt. What happens is, in a sense, the salt pulls the water out, and so it forms polypeptides to form. So as soon as you begin to look at the potential advantages of being in a high salt environment, you realize, wow, it's amazing. Everything sort of fits together very, very nicely. Everything I've talked about has been going on since I came here. So this is the symmetric protein work that we did has been going on for about 18 years. It's the last 2 years that we've been doing the work on the prebiotic amino acid design. So everything sort of builds upon previous work, and we've been doing this for some time. We always like to think we've done something important, but there's two aspects to that, is what you think and also what other people think, and you can't control what other people think. And just time will tell. You know, sometimes people do things and it doesn't live on very long. Other times people do things, they don't realize it's significant, but it stands the test of time.